Good morning, guys. Just starting to look at the markets right now. A little late today. Okay, so yesterday I was expecting price to move down to the 61.8 level, but we didn't get that. So I think the way price looks right now, it's flat. We don't have any more major news coming out today. And the fact that it didn't break back up, like it hasn't shown any aggression to the upside yet. My bias for now might be on the shorts. Like, I wouldn't be surprised if price breaks down to the 61 level, test this trend line, and then move back up. So that might be the kind of bigger trade for today. In the short term, I think we can look for some shorts maybe, but let's see what happens. Like, market just opened now, so let's see how price goes. Who's on the stream so far, guys? My cat is meowing too much again. Gotta go check on him soon. Alright, so right now, if we could get a break above this level, we'll look for longs, and then if we get some confirmation on the lower end, we might look to go short. So if we do go long, my stop loss is going to be about 15468. And then probably target about 15,600. We have about 2 minutes to close this 5-minute candle. So for today, we don't really have any other major news, so let's see. Let's see if price can stabilize. Okay, say hello. Let's see who's online here. Hey, Joe baby. I guess those guys are not around yet. Hey, Joe baby. So, are you off? How many days are you off for? Hey, Raf. I guess over there the shorten is Rafa, right? Oh, sorry. Joe baby, I might be confusing you with aren't you the firefighter guy? Oh, okay. No, I thought you were still doing it. So what do you do these days? All right, guys. So we had that 5-minute close, but it still didn't break structure here. Okay, it's breaking now. All right, I'm gonna take the buy, guys. I'm going long. Yeah, firefighting is a tough job, man. Okay, so I took the long. Hey, Masters FX. Let's hope we get a good 15-minute close on this. Ah, shit. I just realized my lot size is more than it should be right now. Because I had to change the lot size yesterday for a US30 trade that I took. So now I have my full risk on this trade. Full risk as in around what I would normally put in if I took multiple entries. Yeah, that's a tough level to break. This expert advisor I have here should be sending signals to the Telegram group, but it didn't. For some reason, I gotta look into that. Okay, 50 seconds to close the 10-minute candle. I was hoping for kind of a rally after that break since it's open, since market open, but looks like we might not get that. I'll have to close this manually probably. Were you, Javid, were you selling or buying? Alright. Yeah, normally for market open, I use a much smaller lot size and a bigger stop loss. But in this case, my lot size, I don't know, I just didn't even look at it. I ended up going in with like almost 4 times what I would have normally gone in with for this trade. If we get a break above entry here, I'm going to move my stop loss up, probably to this area here. And if price does break below this area, I might close it manually. Because we definitely didn't get a nice 10-minute close. 15-minute still looking rejected for now. That trade I called yesterday for US30, I had stepped away for a little bit. It hit where the original TP would have been, but I had extended my TP down to like the 68 level over here. That was my target, and price did like originally I was targeting like around the 50, and price did come here, and then as you guys can see, it just rejected and went back up. And during that time, I wasn't paying attention. I was doing something else, and it took me out to break even. Remy made some money on that trade, though. Did anyone else take that trade yesterday? I called it on Telegram. Just a few more seconds to close the 15-minute candle here. Nice, Javi, that's good. Okay, that 15-minute close is not horrible. Yeah, thanks, man. Thanks, Masters. I just wish I took profit and didn't leave it running. At one point I was up over like 6K, I think. And then I closed, when it closed I made like 200 or something. Okay, so we did get this breakout that I was looking at. I'm gonna move my stop loss up a little bit, just in case it just crashes. I don't want to be like at full risk there. If we get a nice 5-minute candle close, my stop loss is gonna move up just below this level. I don't know if it's gonna go all the way to the take profit in this trade, to be honest. Just because we've had like strong pushes down, right? But we can also look at it in a different way. Like, we had this strong push down, right? This was pretty strong. Then the pullback that we had, it was okay, and then we had a strong move down again, then very weak pullback, and then a very kind of weak push down again. And now this this kind of rejection and push up here seems stronger than the previous like 2 pushes that we had to the downside. So chances are the momentum might be changing. However, that doesn't mean that this trade's gonna be, doesn't mean the trade's gonna go all the way up here. It could just be reversing the momentum, so we'll get a push up followed by hopefully a weaker push down and then a stronger push up, and that for that strong push up is what we hope we can get into, because it might be a bigger one. Okay, I'm just gonna move my stop loss up a little bit more, just because of the way price is moving right now. This could just be kind of a fake out as well. What I want to see right now is a good 5-minute, 10-minute close. Jababy, so maybe if you can maybe recover the loss you made there, then you might be good to continue for the day. Yeah, Rami, so the problem with my trade when welcome to the stream, by the way. The problem was that I had a bigger lot size for the previous trade I took yesterday, because the US30 was really good setup. I took I took basically my full risk I would take on a trade, and then I didn't check that part this morning when I entered this trade. So I'm at otherwise I would have taken multiple entries, then I'll be able to take some partials. And I've never figured out how to do the partials of a one trade on MT5. Gotta figure that out, because I've been in this situation before. Alright guys, 10 seconds to close to 5. Let's see. Yeah, that's good, baby. I guess you got wicked out on this this bearish candle for that first trade, right? Okay, let's see what's holding it up at this level here. Okay, yeah, it's this level here. I'll just put a line in there for now, so we can keep an eye on it, because we basically need to break through that. Break through this, break through the 38, and maybe we have some moment. Ah, God, why can't I say that word today? Moment. Okay, sorry guys. Hopefully we have enough volume to keep pushing it up. I woke up under the dyslexic side of the bed today. Alright, we're getting that rejection here, man. I'm just gonna close that. Just don't trust market open situations like this. Yeah, man, that was such a good trade, but I effed up. I extended my TP, but I was monitoring it to wait to close it manually. But then I don't know, I had to do something else, and then I walked away. When I came back, it hit my break even. So instead of making like 8K or whatever I was targeting, I made 200. Alright, I'm just looking at US30 here again. Yeah, man, I should have just closed it at the time, because normally I try not to trade after 3 o'clock. But I was like, okay, normally at the close we get like a strong move, and I was thinking, since the price was going in that direction, maybe we'll get a spike down or something. But then the plan was to close it. It was to close it manually. But then I walked away, think I was doing some stuff around the house, and then yeah, it's one of those days. Well, this is some bullshit. Baby, are you still in trade? Nice. Good for you, man. I don't know. It's just because my lot size is so big for this trade. I just didn't want to risk it spiking me out there. Okay, so it looks like maybe it's consolidating. If we do get a rejection of this level here, though, we should consider shorts. US30 is just being lazy right now. So the fact that US30 hasn't like fully pushed down in a strong way, it could be looking for a reason to go long again. But this push up, like, it's shorter than this one, and the other ones, it just looks like it's slowing down. Oh. Yeah, Remy, got some balls there, bro. Okay. Oh. Let's see what, wow, okay, kept going, man, jeez. Broke out of here. Yo, baby, you must have recovered your loss there by now. Okay, shit. Alright. It's not bad. Yeah, NAS can be like that, man. Okay, so what do we have here for US30? It's kind of a flag pattern, basically. So pattern traders will be looking to go long at the break of this range on the top. And then we're rejecting the 65 here. But it did break this trend. It is slowing down from a momentum perspective. There's a tricky one here. Guess if we get a 5-minute close and a break of this, could be signaling shorts. But here again, like from last week, remember with the wicks, that shit's happening again here. Alright, something's happening with NAS here now. We're getting really big like fluctuations. See what's happening with gold. Did a small scalp yesterday. Just got a, I think, where did I get it? Yeah, I think here. Okay, so previously at this level, gold rejected and we had that big move. So it'd be worth watching that. Right, it's giving a big wick right now. Whoa. Yeah, if we could get a 5-minute close bullish here, that could be good. US30 is trying to break this area, but with a lot of wick. Yeah, it looks like NAS is gonna keep pushing up here. Whoa. And then there, let's see what levels we have to test for NAS. There's kind of a minor level here at the 15,582. This isn't a solid level, but it could get some rejection there. Yeah, but the big level here is up here at the 23.6, 15,690, oh, 15,700, let's call it. So that could be a big move if there's enough volume coming in that way. US30 is just, what the hell? It's a lot of wicks. Looks like it is trying to break down. Right, it broke through this level. Getting a nice close here would be good. Yeah, I still don't trust that short. Anyone looking to trade gold at all? Gold sometimes looks so promising. Like you look at this and you're like, okay, shit, the volume is really coming in to go long. And then it can just stall out, go sideways, or just reverse fully. It's crazy. Alright, so if you were to take a long, Definitely don't want to go in with that lot size. 1953, 1952. $1967. I want to see what happens to this 5-minute closer. 26 seconds. Just gonna go with a lower risk here since I don't normally trade gold, but the other two, NAS has gone too far and US30 is just looking too sus for me. Okay, I'm gonna take this gold long. It's like a 1 to 1.5 R. Alright, so NAS is pulling back. Trying to see if there's any short possibilities here. What do you guys think with NAS here? It is rejecting a decent level. So 15,560 would be my stop loss. I'll probably aim for this area here, 15,430. That was a pretty strong bullish candle though. But NAS does that all the time. Like he'll give you a strong bullish candle followed by a equally strong bearish candle. Alright, like look at this here. It's like a tweezer kind of thing. US30 is still fucking about here. Alright, look at that. Maybe it's rejecting now. Yeah, maybe. It could be good. Gold is just doing what gold does. Okay, just 30 seconds to close this 10-minute candle on NAS. Want to see if there's any possibility of a short here. Yeah, I'm not liking that structure that's setting up for shorts. US30 is looking decent for long. What are you guys thinking for US30 here, guys? Baby, you still holding that NAS? Nice. Yeah, baby. I think that's the way to probably look at it. Right, because we've had kind of compelling candles before to go long. But well, okay, so let's look at this here. We had one, now two. This was the open. We had a few more. What would my stop loss be on this? Yeah, it's not bad. I may look to go long here, guys. Stop loss is 35373. Okay, I'm getting in. I'm hoping to get like another entry on it too, if we get better confirmation. I don't have a TP set yet. This might just have to be a scalp. And then if it breaks through, then hopefully I can have a runner. Those are some ugly candles, man. Sorry guys, my kids are in the room close by again. Told them I need them to stay away from this section of the house in the mornings, but kids never listen. Looks like NAS is gonna continue to pull back, maybe. Let's see a short-term fib. Yeah, if NAS could pull back to about the golden zone and give us kind of a some more confirmation for a buy, I might consider that. But for now, I'm not gonna go short on it. Would like to see a nice 10-minute candle close here. If NAS does break back above these levels here, though, it could also be a long. Yeah, for US30, I didn't get a second entry, so it's just the one. So gold is rejecting this level here. I'll keep this because I just have a small risk on it, on the gold trade, so I'm not even gonna look at that. I'm gonna keep an eye on this US30 and see what's going on with NAS. So NAS is doing that pullback. problem with today is that we don't have any major news events. So unless we have some political or economical stuff that happens, maybe, I don't know, maybe we'll be flat. Or if sentiment in the market actually solidifies, right? And the big players like, okay, I feel confident now to push the market up. Yeah, Remy, you're right. So yeah, I'm gonna watch this level closely. If we get kind of rejection up there, I'm gonna close. And for NAS, I'm really hoping for like a pullback and then some kind of confirmation to go back up. But we have to be aware that we were in a kind of downtrend here, and it hasn't really broken past this high. Okay, US30, I reduced my risk a little bit. I might just do a break even as soon as it gets to that top. I just want a good rally, man. That was a pretty strong bullish candle on the 15 for gold. Okay, so US30 is approaching this top here, so that's something to look at. Really don't like indicator charts, man. They're so messy. Yeah, gold is fucking around here. Oof. So 15 looks good on gold, but then you go down to 10. And it's not that pretty. Anyway, so I'm not even gonna look at that. The risk is pretty low. Let it play out. Whoa. NAS is rejecting right here. Five-minute closer could be good. Yeah, let's see what happens. Okay, I think if US30 was gonna break through, it would have done it with more power by now. It just seems like it's slowing down to come back down. Kind of want to wait and see what happens to this 15-minute though. That is a nice 15-minute candle if you get that close on NAS. A good rejection on that level. How are you guys feeling about NAS? Baby, you still holding? So NAS on the 15, it's looking bullish. On the 10-minute, it's looking like it wants to go bearish. Okay, nice. At least you covered your losses there. That was a nice 30-minute bullish candle though. So you gotta be careful with this one. Man, gold is so annoying. Jeez. Okay, NAS has broken down. It's coming to test that golden zone, so let's see what happens. US30. See if it flipped. Yeah. All right, we're getting that rejection coming in there. Yeah, I'm gonna get out. Let's hope we get a better price for another entry. Just with all these wicks, I just didn't trust that movement. Maybe we can get an entry on NAS that's somewhat stable. Whoa, alright. This could be good. It's kind of showing some rejection in this area. Ho ho. What the shit? Yeah, baby. Yeah, man, hopefully, dude. I'm waiting for a little bit more confirmation here. Okay, his 5-minute candle is about to close. Let's see what we got. Yo, J baby, where's your stop loss? 7, 8. Okay. Well, you got some room. My feeling about situations like this is that everybody's looking for that, right? We had the push, then we get the pullback, and a lot of people are looking at that golden zone. So my worry about it is just you could get these fluctuations in price. So the bigger stop loss is much safer, obviously. So I'm waiting to see kind of like a momentum shift. Alright, so this is starting to look good. Let's see. Yep. Time frame also matters, right? But right now the golden zone here is good because we're taking it off of that morning push. Yeah. Yeah, man. That's probability, right? If your back testing is showing probability in your favor on that move, then do it for sure. And you're right, I've seen that too in my back testing. Okay, if we can get that engulfing candle here. Sometimes when you wait for that though, it just, price just gets too far, you know? If I get a good close here on the 1 minute, that'll be good enough for me. Yeah, that close isn't good. I don't like it. Okay, 20 seconds to close this 5 minute. I'm getting ready to buy. Okay, I'm in 2 times. Sorry guys, kids are at full noise right now. these are the times when you're like, what the fuck? This market is like against me. It's just personally targeting me. Yeah, the market doesn't give a shit about us. Alright, I'm just looking to see if I can get another entry because I do have low risk on these. Let me look at my stochastics here. Thanks, Masters. I got 3 of them, so it's a lot of noise. How's the music, guys? Should I change it up, or it's fine? A lot of people would have gotten in after that 5-minute bullish engulfing. So this could just be kind of like a push to take out all the stop losses, which would have been probably under the 61.8. Hopefully that's the case, and it doesn't keep pushing all the way down back into the range, because then that'll really suck. I do have some room to kind of move my stop a little bit if I need to. I'd prefer not to do that, but what I am looking for is a possible re-entry, like an additional entry here. Because I'm hoping this is the move up to about the 23% here, back up there. If that's the case, this would be an amazing day. Should have waited for the stochastic 5-minute flip here. Stochastic sometimes is so reliable. Well, not reliable. Let's say accurate, because it's definitely not reliable. So I don't fully rely on it. It just helps show like when things are slowing down. So maybe you can get out. Or when we have like an aggressive flip in momentum. Jeez, why can't I say that word today? God. It's one of those days when my mouth isn't working properly. Yo, fucking NAS is just messing around now, eh? Look at those wicks up and down. Yeah, I'm hoping it doesn't break through there. Alrighty. Yeah, today's one. That's the problem with this with trading, guys. Some weeks are really good. Some are not that great. Second shit week for me. I mean, yesterday I would have actually walked away with profit if I just had stayed and monitored that trade. So it would have been a good day for me. But I closed out with like almost a 1% loss there. Yeah, but they're rejecting this level too, Remy. So that's what I'm hoping will hold. That's 61.8, and then just this level that they broke before. But the way NAS moves sometimes, like it'll come back, test this level, but then push further to the next level to take out all those stop losses and get that liquidity, and then push back up, which would kind of sort of correlate with this trend line and this level down here. All right, look, it's coming for that 61.8. If it does close below here, then I think I might just close these manually to reduce my risk. Reduce my loss. Yeah, it did close. Huh. Oh, it's shitty. Let's see, 5 minutes. I mean, the next area for stop loss here would be like here, and you might as well just push it all the way down. And I don't want to increase my risk by that much, so might just take the L. Let's see what this 5 minute has to offer if I survive it. If it's gonna be shitty like this today again, I might just come back for the afternoon session and see what happens there. Because normally in the morning you should get a good trade by now, and if you don't, then you're probably just gonna get shitty setups. Like this should have been the good trade kind of thing. Yeah, it looks like it's gonna come and hit this. I don't know. A nice 5 minute doji would be good right now. Hey, fuck you. That sucks. Alrighty. At least your baby, your stop loss is a little lower than that. Yeah, US30 still messing around here. H1. Yeah, it's still kind of definitely in the H4. It's rejecting here, which could mean that we might be looking for a push down. H1, if it closes, it might engulf or even like a tweezer kind of thing. Yeah, it could be bearish. Yeah. Yeah, Jabibi, did it take you out yet? You're like 70, yeah, I can't remember. Gold, the one thing I don't necessarily like trading is actually doing better today. All right, so let's see if this 1 hour closes as an engulfing candle or something, then we may start looking for sells. That would basically like confirm a fake out for the morning that we fell for, obviously. I wouldn't go short until we get some kind of first of all, we need that confirmation, preferably kind of like a bearish engulfing on the 1 hour, and then kind of a rejection off of this, like around this level with the trend line and stuff. So let's just make that a little bigger. So we're looking for kind of rejection here, then get like a little pullback, and if we see kind of bearish structure forming again, then maybe we'll go for the short. I'm still thinking of US30 as kind of a bullish flag setup. My only concern is that there's kind of exhaustion happening here with just the way it's been moving. So it could consolidate more before we get that breakout, or it could come do a liquidity grab on this structure here. Yep. Yeah, I agree. We just need more, I don't know, confirmation here, because we're still in that range. Like, I love that 30-minute bullish candle. All right, NAS has about a minute to close. Let's see. It's still giving us wicks here too. Five seconds. Yep. Okay. So we didn't get an engulfing candle, but we did get a strong bearish candle. And the volume on this bullish candle, that was also just from the open, I think. So yeah. Yeah, I agree. It's not a clear sell yet. Yep. I agree. No worries, man. We're talking price here. Don't need good English for that. All right, US30, what's going on? Yeah. US30 is so choppy on these lower time frames. I like that structure on the 30-minute though. Right, so like a small lot size, big SL, and hope it pushes high. That'd be good. Okay, so NAS is rejecting here. Let's see. It's still not a clear bullish or bearish situation. We're just getting back into this box. Yeah, if it does close back above the 50, there is a good chance of a continuation here. I have to be cautious though because of lost on basically the same move. So let's see. All right, that would be good if I could get an entry like this, because that's some small SL. Let me see gold here. All right, I'm just gonna break even on the gold. At least that one's a free trade. Uh, 12 seconds to close that 5-minute candle for NAS. If we could close above here. I don't like that. I may scalp NAS if we can get a close. But it's like over 3 minutes from now, so by then it may not be a good trade anymore. So I'm just gonna check this on the 1 minute and see. I'm gonna wait for that stochastic confirmation on the 1 minute, and then maybe take a buy. Yeah, might not get that 1 minute confirmation that I want. Okay, we got the 5 minute close. Kind of a bullish engulfing on the 10. I just don't like where it is on the 1 minute. Okay, I'm gonna take the entry now. Very tight stop loss. So 1 to 1.5 R. Whoa, gold had a big rejection there on that 15. Since gold is a free trade, I'm gonna extend it up to that golden zone. So that's my target. Let's see if NAS can push up. Just need to be careful because we did get this strong bearish candle here. So it might be a quick in and out kind of situation. Could go for 1 to 1. which is would be targeting these highs here. On gold, yeah, I'm just gonna leave it. It's a free trade for me right now, so whatever happens happens. The profit I make on it isn't, like, if I closed it right now, isn't really worth it. Yeah, so I might close NAS about this level here because of these rejections. But I'll see what price looks like as it gets closer to that area. Just reduce my risk a little bit on the NAS trade because I'm looking at this as kind of a scalp, so I just want to keep that tight. .15 has 1 minute to go. If we get a nice close here, it could be a good sign. Hey Jababy, you still in this one? Nice. It could be big, man. Never know. I'm worried about that 1 minute pullback that could happen here on the stochastic, because if it does, it'll come back enough to take me out at this level. So I'll just close it at break even or something. We had that it's a pretty good 15-minute close, to be honest. Really, let's see if stop loss is below that. Could be good. I don't know, man. Want to push to at least this level here. Good idea, man. Keep me posted on how that goes. Yeah. Yeah, try to get to 100 if you can. This fucking thing. I might break even here and then I'll wait for the 1 minute to flip back up. Looks like it's gonna leave me here. I was expecting a stronger push down. Jeez, man. All right, that was the 1 minute confirmation that I wanted, but I was hoping for a bigger pullback. It's not good. If I get in now, we could still get that pullback. I might have messed up my entry there. Now it's getting too close to that level I was targeting. So I had to sit back and wait. Not really. Just don't kind of scared of losses at this point because I could have held that trade just now, but I let it take me at break even. I'm down about 0.5% today, maybe a little less. Oh, welcome to the stream there, Peter. This also happens when I'm like trying to trade multiple assets at the same time. So I usually only stick to NAS. Right now I'm just waiting for a better pullback before I get in. Also, I'm a little worried about if the direction is shifting here. But if we break this area that it rejected previously, then It could be going back up all the way to this level here. Wonder if US30 can give us something here. When it does break out of this range, we have to be careful too. There could be fake outs. We're getting good 15-minute formation here. Still within that range though. Yeah, that's what I'm waiting for. 15-minute candle is about to close in like 1 minute, and then we'll see what that looks like. NAS is doing the 1 minute pullback that I want. Just worried about the kind of stop loss I need for this US30. That's not a, well, it's pretty good. It's a good candle. Good bullish candle. Just on the 10 minute, I don't like it. 1 minute looks good. 5 minutes, it's okay. 15 minutes is good. Gonna take an entry here, guys, for US30. It's right at the top of that range, so we can expect some pullback, as long as I hope it doesn't come all the way down. This movement with NAS is kind of weak, really. Right, there's a lot of choppiness here. I'm hoping we get kind of a better pullback before we go up again. Looking at the 1 hour, it is still rejecting that level. So there's a good chance it could push down.
1 hour, it is still rejecting that level. So there's a good chance it could push down. 1 hour, it is still rejecting that level. So there's a good chance it could push down. 1 hour, it is still rejecting that level. So there's a good chance it could push down. 1 hour, it is still rejecting that level. So there's a good chance it could push down. 1 hour, it is still rejecting that level. So there's a good chance it could push down. 1 hour, it is still rejecting that level. So there's a good chance it could push down. 1 hour, it is still rejecting that level. So there's a good chance it could push down. 1 hour, it is still rejecting that level. So there's a good chance it could push down. 1 hour, it is still rejecting that level. So there's a good chance it could push down. 1 hour, it is still rejecting that level. So there's a good chance it could push down. 1 hour, it is still rejecting that level. So there's a good chance it co
Okay, but we did get that 1 minute crossover that I was looking for. It's really hoping for a deeper pullback on that. Okay, I'm taking a long on NAS. Little over 1 to 1.5 R. Nice, yeah, baby. Thanks for that. Let's hope it worked. Alright, so I'm gonna just set a TP here for US30. Just like it's 1 to 2 basically. I don't think it's gonna push all the way there because it hasn't been there in a long time, so we'll see. I will close it if I see too much rejection forming. And now we just need like a rally for this thing, for NAS. So I'll be closing my trade probably around this level if it gets there. However, I'm just going to extend a little bit more just to be greedy, just in case things keep moving up. Just realized my mic was on mute. I'm still worried about this US30. NAS is starting to rally. I hope it keeps that up. This was the original target. I have a trailing stop in place. So let's see if it breaks that target. So I'll trail by about 4,000 points. I have magic keys. I should start using it so I can get multiple entries. It would, like, once I enter. For the magic keys, I bought it, but like I have my own EA for entries as well. So I used to use that more than the magic keys. Magic key is pretty good. I just have to get used to using it. So I've never really committed to using it fully. Okay, let's take a look here at US30 for where price could actually go. Yeah, I guess my TP is around where we might have some rejection there, if it keeps pushing that way anyway. So I'm just gonna leave that. I don't have a trailing stop on that one. Let's see. Yeah, I'll put a trailing stop there as well. But I know I still have a feeling we're gonna get kind of a deep pullback here before. It might need some liquidity, and liquidity is right where my stop loss is at the moment, so I have to be careful with that. Gold, okay, so gold is rejecting here again. Let me see. There's a good chance of it actually pulling all the way. The golden zone is still above my entry. Yeah, baby, the that fib signal was perfect, man. I think I was just a little too worried about making losses today again, and I kind of got out too early on those trades. Otherwise, I would have been in some deep profit right now. Gold is actually becoming a decent trade here. I'm not gonna push this one, man. I don't really trade it much, so I'm just gonna take profit when it hits this level here. Hey Remy, you in any trades? Are you still on stream? All right, guys, it's coming up to 12 noon. I'll take a break soon, so I'll end the stream and I'll keep things updated on Telegram. For anybody that's not following my Telegram, the link is in the description. Feel free to join there. I'm here. I try to stream every day. Sometimes I can't, but I do try to be online every day. Thanks everybody for being on the stream. Thanks for everybody that was engaging here. I really like that. Yeah, so I'll be here tomorrow, and for the rest of the day I'll just update things on Telegram and post any signals that might come by. Yeah, thanks everybody. Have a great rest of your day.